Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you a little exercise for fingerstyle playing. Now, I play with the pick a lot, but I also like to play with my fingers and do some finger styling. This is a real simple exercise, but I think it'll help you gain more control of using your fingers for picking, okay? So again, don't forget to subscribe and like. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to an open G major chord. I'll be playing on the 3rd fret, 6th string with my ring finger. And I'll have my middle finger on the 2nd fret, 5th string. And I'll have my pinky finger on the 3rd fret, 1st string. And then those 3 strings, 2, 3, and 4, I'll play those open. So kind of like this. In a little exercise here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like first before I explain it more to you, okay? So basically what you do is you take this thumb and you strum down on strings 6, 5, and 4. And then you go on down also on string 3. You hit it with your index finger here. String 2, you play with your middle finger. And string 1, you play with your ring finger. So on the way down, it kind of looks like this. On the way up, I'll play that 1st string with my ring finger. I'll play that 2nd string with a middle finger. I'll play that 3rd string with my index finger. And then I use my thumb and play that 4th string, 5th string, 6th string. So again, the way up, it's like. So we do it again, we go down and up, it's like this. And then you keep working on that, and it'll really help you with your fingerstyle playing. And what you can also do is, instead of playing a 6th string or E-shaped chord, you can go down and play a 5-string chord. For instance, I can play a C major here, C on the 3rd fret, 5th string, E on the 2nd fret, 4th string, an open G for the 3rd string, C, the 1st fret on the 2nd string, and open E on the 1st string for a C chord, C major. I can kind of do the same pattern there, except I'm only using my thumb on strings 5 and 4. Hey, I hope you enjoy that fingerstyle exercise. Keep on jamming, and don't forget to check out my other videos.